Hello you guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this stunning three-dimensional logo design in a few minutes. So if you're interested in learning how you can be able to create this yourself, then just kindly watch this video towards the end so that I can show you step by step how you can be able to achieve this. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create your own logo design. So here you're going to be creating a normal logo design just like this. So for the purpose of this video, I have created my logo design. This is just a normal logo design and I will be using this to create a three-dimensional logo design. Okay, and the next step that you want to do is we want to remove the image background of our logo. So my logo design, for example, is having a white background, and we just want to make sure that the background of the logo is transparent. So that means that in whatever we put it, there will be no background showing on the back end. So we're going to be using this website to actually remove the image background. If you want to know more as to how you can easily do this, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below so that you can learn step by step how you can easily remove an image background in much more easier way. So I'm just going to be removing this image background right now. And then once, as you can see here, it's been removed, and then I'm just going to download the file. So here it is, and it has a removed background. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to go to a website where I can be able to download the mockups which I'm going to use for my three-dimensional logo. So the website that you're going to be using today is called FreePic, and in this website we're going to be searching for three-dimensional logo design mockups. So as displaying here, it's actually displaying a lot of mockups which you can be able to download for free of charge, while some of them actually cost money. As you can see here, this one with the crown, it's actually for premium users, but you do not necessarily need to actually have an account with this website in order for you to download the mockups. So you can just actually download it for free. So for me, I have successfully downloaded my mockup which I'm going to use for today, and which is this one. So if you also want to download, you can just click on any mockup that you want to use, and then you can just click on the download button here and then click on the free download. So instantly your downloadable mockup file will be downloaded, and it's going to be on your PC. And then the next thing we want to do now, we want to use this mockup and actually put our own logo design on the mockup. So we're going to go to this website. So this is the next website we're going to be using. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for all the websites that we've used today, so that you can be able to just click on them, and then it will take you through to the website, and then you can start right away to design your three-dimensional logo design. So this website is going to allow us to actually use that mockup that we have downloaded from the freepic.com, and then we can actually put our own logo design on the mockup and make it ours. So the first thing you want to do here, once you're here, you want to click on open from the computer, and you want to click on the mockup that you've downloaded. As you can see here, it's loading. So as you can see here, it's loading. The next thing that you want to do is you just want to double click here on the right. So you want to double click here, and then once you've double clicked here, you want to remove this logo design that they have. So as you can see here, they actually have their own logo design. which is the one that is actually displayed on the mockup, and we want to remove this logo design, and because we want to put our own logo design. So we want to go up here to file and click on open and place, and then we're going to click on our logo design with a removed background. So the logo design that we're placing here is the one that actually has a transparent background. Once that is done, we're going to go to save as a smart object, or alternatively you can just click on Control S to actually save. And then it's been updated, as you saw the pop-up message, and then we just want to come here and view our logo design. And this is our logo design that we have just created in a few minutes. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to actually upload this mockup that we have, so that we can be able to use it wherever we want to use it. So in order for you to do that, you need to go up here to file, and then you need to go to export as. So export export as is actually given in different formats, so you're just going to choose whichever format that you want to download your file with. For my case, I'm just going to choose the PNG format, and then I'm going to click on save. Once that is done, the logo design has been successfully saved, and this is it here displayed. So this is actually taking us to the end of today's video. And if you want to know more how you can be able to create this stunning logo design, then I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below so that you can be able to view that as well. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below to show you how you can easily remove an image background in few steps. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this kind of content, please do not forget to subscribe. Do click on that subscription button. It does not cost you anything. Okay, well, basically when you click on that subscription button, it gives me much more joy, and it's actually giving me more energy to keep on creating content like this for you guys. So that is for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm gonna see you on my next video.